Hello everyone, this is Karen and thank you for joining me for another tryout for some new Alina Gallo's watercolor paints. So if you have been following me for a while, you already know that I've reviewed her classic set and her earth tone set. I will leave links to everything in the description and up in the cards, but the thing is, she came out with two new palettes, the landscape set and the naturale 12 half-pan set. I will leave links to her shop also in the description down below if you're interested in checking them out. She has some really interesting paints in both of those palettes, but I was only interested in some of them, so since we kind of chatted and did become friends, I asked as a personal favor if she would make like a Frankenstein custom palette for me. And I was lucky enough, she accepted. So package arrived and I did already open it just to check that everything was alright, because package guy just left it there and it fell over, so I was kind of worried. But yeah. Okay. So she sent me some samples of paper, and I really have to say this is very nice paper. And just for the swatches, I'm not going to use this one because I want to like preserve it for better projects. And there is a letter which I'm not going to read right now. I will read it off camera and I will update you if it's something that you need to know. This is one of the babies. So this is the Herculano Red, which is she sent me a sample. You can see the previous swatching in the Earth Tones palette, and this one is like a very orangey red. It is beautiful and I really love it. Oh, it also has the magnetic what's it called? Magnetic what? Okay, so her card, Alina Gallo, made in Italy, and here are all over contact info. I will leave everything in the description, so don't worry to like block the video and everything. So this is how she packages all over palettes, customs and normal ones. You have this very nice packaging, then you slide it and bloop. Okay, here we go. I really like this because it's crinkly, but yeah. So also for a gift, these are beautiful because they're beautifully packaged, so you don't get only nice paints, you also get a nice package. So let me put this away. There's nothing else in here. Nope. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It was packaged very safely. Okay, so these are the rest, and I'm going to take them out, list them, and then we're going to swatch them. Come all out. And I kind of had this idea that I could do like a landscape tryout, because I realized that these colors actually could be a landscape set. Of course they are the mishmash of two landscape sets, so that's kind of obvious, but I did not concentrate all of my attention on like one kind of pigment or another. They're just a mix of everything. So I have Buff Titanium PW61, and I'm not usually one for white pigments, but this one really looked interesting, so I really wanted to try it. Let's go rainbow colors. This is Moroccan yellow ochre. I already have the like the Italian yellow ochre, but this one looked a lot more golden, and I was really looking forward to trying it out. PY43. Then we have Herculano Red, which is the beautiful color I was telling you about. This is like I will finish this in a month, I think. And it's PR101 and PR102. I have been chatting with Malami Carter. She recently did a video of her PR101 pigments, and I know I said that I'm not really into that color because it's more brick than I would like, but this mix, it's actually very orangey, so I like it a lot. Then let's go with Sap Green. And Sap Green is a mix of PG36, PY 154 and the PY 110. Okay, I really have no idea how to say the numbers of pigments. Sometimes they're like you say one number after the other, and or else you put it all together. Okay, so this one is zirconium blue and PB71. This is a granulating color, and I know that I do not usually like granulating colors, but I've been having a lot of fun with the Earth Tones palette, and there are a lot of granulating colors there, so maybe I'm changing my mind. No idea. Dioxis in violet, which I'm like a sucker for violets, so of course I had to ask for this one. PV37. There we go. And another that I was really interested in, and especially since it does remind me a lot of Boku Undo tones, so I will get the same hue, but for a really better light fastness. So yes. Indigo Genuine and NB1. Okay, so this is my line. They're very rainbowy. They truly resemble a rainbow. I did not realize that. Of course, I already know they're going to be good. I'm just going to tell you which one is my favorite, which one I liked best, and yeah, basically that. So enjoy the speed paint, and oh, I cannot wait to try them. Okay, so what I had initially thought that this choice of colors would make a wonderful landscape palette is actually true. It would make an awesome landscape palette. However, given the mixes that I get, I think it would be a good multi-purpose palette as well, because you can get a wide range of colors and you don't have really big gaps in the colors you can get. That being said, I was of course really happy that these colors were in line with the other colors I tried from Alina. They're very vibrant, and this is something that I always look for in the watercolors that I get. One of the things I'm probably going to change about this palette is that I'm going to switch out the zirconium blue, because it is a wonderful color and it has a beautiful granulation, but in mixes it does tend to fall into the grooves and give the wash a strange effect that I'm not really looking for in my washes. So I'm probably going to switch it out to some other similar hue pigment that does not granulate. Another thing that really surprised me about this palette is the buff titanium. I did not expect to like it so much. I was only interested in it because it was like a strange colored white, but the mixes that I got were really soft pastel looking, really kind of misty. They had a misty feeling to it, so this is probably something that warrants more experimentation. So, this being said, I do apologize that I did not have the time to do a speed paint, so I hope this swatch card will be enough. As always, I thank you for being with me. I was really surprised that I got 600 subscribers, so thank you so much for deciding to follow me. I hope I will not let you down with my future videos, and that's it. Thank you for being with me, and until next time, bye!